Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and also to share. So today's video I'm going to show you how to do a knotless braid. So the first step, I'm going to divide my hair in three sections. The way I'm doing, please look. I'm dividing my hair in three sections, and after dividing my hair in three sections, I'm going to braid it 5 times. Yes, then after that I'm going to add my hair. I'm going to add the braid. Yes, 5 times, then we add our braid. So I'm going to take a small piece of my braid and attach it with my hair. Please, I may not be able to explain it, but by the look of your eyes you will understand. Yeah, I'm not a good explainer, so follow it carefully. I'm going to show you how I'm adding it. Look, hold it one side and the other one on the other side, and braid it 2 times on the left and on your right side. Then add another piece. Yeah, hold it the way I'm showing you. One piece on one hand and the other piece on the other hand, and braid it 2 times. Then add another one, and that's how you are going to do it. So that's how you are going to add your braid until you have your desired size. If you need something big, the more braids you need to add. If it's something small, you don't need to add much braids. I hope you guys are understanding, you're following up. Please remember to subscribe, like and also leave a comment. Please support me on my TikTok account. That's how you are going to braid your knotless. Yeah, that's the end result. They are beautiful and stunning. Bye bye. See you next time. Remember to stay tuned.